So this is our first project of the first period, and my team is Jose Luis, Carlos Alberto, Alan Alberto, and me, Alejandro. Before we start, let's know what is a flowchart. A flowchart is a representation of an algorithm. Flowcharts can be helpful for writing programs or explaining the program to others. The flowchart is going to provide some symbols. These symbols are going to be able to realize an action following certain steps.
Okay, the flowcharts have different symbols that are used to create them. The most important are going to present them. That is the flow line that indicates the flow by connected symbols, the terminal that represent the start and the end of the flowchart, the input and an output that are for operations. This depends on the flow line. Then we have the processing that is to write the operations and data manipulations. There is the decision used for decision making between two or more alternatives. One page connector used to join different flow lines. There's a off page connector that connects flowchart position on a different page, and predefined process function that represents a group of statements performing one processing task. These are like all the important aspects of the flowchart.
Okay, so I'm going to explain the first example. The first exercise tells us how to make a loop with the 4 to the 8th power. So first of all, we select the letter A as a base number, that is number 4. And in the loop, we need to set the number 65,536 as our goal and make the loop repeat the addition many times until the number 4 gets to the number inside the loop.
Well, now I'm going to explain the other loop or other example that we did, that was with the 5. Now, in order to not make another program of this, we just need to do some changes here. Instead of having the number 4, we put the number 5 in here. Also here where we are going to apply the additions of the whole numbers. And right here, the limit will change as our number now will be 3,125. So as you see here in the master console, the loop needed to be repeated 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here is the ultimate number, which is the 8th one. Now in this one, the program only needs to be repeated only 5 times. So it's the same process as my teammate Jose Luis explained before. We just need to wait till the result comes in to know if our project was working. And as you can see here is the number that we were looking for it in the Raptor console.
So that's all of our team, and I hope that you like it and how is our project of programming. Thank you.